Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add hyperlink text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Okay. First of all, create a new layer and click text. Type example. Use color white. Press Ctrl T. Resize and select the slice tool, crop tool and use slice tool. Then select the text, right click on your mouse, edit slice option and image name, example name use Google and use URL, use HTTP or direct, copy your link, copy and paste. Example I use www.google.com. Okay, click OK. Then again go to File tab and see this Save for all. JPG, save. Select your location. Example I use desktop's name Google and format HTML and image or image only, HTML only. Use HTML and image. Click save. Okay. Example. See this. Click and open. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.